Hi, this is Shlok from decentralized.co, and we just released a product at funding.decentralized.co that essentially acts as a hub for all things venture funding in crypto. We track over 10,000 crypto venture rounds, over 5,000 investors, going all the way back to Bitcoin's launch in 2008. To start with, we have an overview of funding over different time frames. For example, over the past 1 year, just over 6 billion in capital was deployed. We can look at the newest rounds, the top rounds, as well as who the most active investors were. We can further look at what sectors attracted the most funding, what the top companies were within each sector, and how funding was distributed across different stages. We can also look at trends over longer time frames. For example, if I look at Q1Q funding over the past 5 years, this is what it looks like. We can filter these out by different sectors. So if I compare NFT funding with AI funding, you can see that NFTs dominated funding in 2021, but obviously more recently, AI has somewhat overtaken it. We can then go to the rounds page, which basically is a list of every single fundraising event that we track in our database. You can filter these out by stage, by sector, by the amount of money raised. And once you set your filters, these are all the fundraising events that match that criteria. We have a page on investors where the goal is to help founders find the ideal investors for their venture based on what stages they're active in, what sectors they tend to invest in, the average round size. Once again, you can filter this over different time frames. Here is a list of seed AI investors who've deployed between 5 to 10 million over the past 6 months. You can then look at investors in more detail to get more refined insights across different time frames on what sectors they're investing in, what stages they're investing in, what the latest and their top investments were, and you can go on to maybe shortlist an investor to view later. We have similarly detailed views for companies. So if you look at Monad, you can find their socials, view their founding team, look at their fundraising history, and once again, you can shortlist companies as well. You can then go to the shortlist page to view all the companies and investors you've shortlisted. We're letting teams and investors claim these profiles to manage them themselves or to edit any of these details. If you want to do so, you can reach out to us at venture@decentralized.co. Similarly, if you're an investor or a project that finds the data missing from a dashboard, you can once again reach out to us at venture@decentralized.co and we'll get you sorted. Yep, so that's it for this launch. This is an initial version of the product. We hope you find it useful. Always open to feedback, and we will be evolving this significantly over the coming weeks and months. Thanks a lot.